Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle just to get by? It's not just about how much you earn. Sounds surprising, right? The real secret to building wealth lies in how you manage your money. Whether you're earning six figures or just starting out, mastering money management is the key to unlocking financial freedom. Today, we're diving deep into the money management rules that financial leaders rely on, guiding you on your journey to lasting wealth and financial freedom. 1. Understanding the fundamentals of money management. Let's start with the basics of money management. You don't have to be a genius to understand that managing money is more about discipline than complex math. The first rule of building wealth is simple. Spend less than you earn. It's common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people ignore this, often leading to financial struggles. For instance, let's say you earn $5,000 a month but spend $6,000. You're not just living paycheck to paycheck. You're digging yourself into a financial hole and sabotaging your journey to financial freedom. Now let me explain why this matters for your overall money management strategy. When you consistently spend more than you make, you end up relying on credit to fill the gap. It might seem like a temporary fix, but it's actually a direct path to accumulating debt. Debt, especially high-interest debt, is the enemy of building wealth. It's risky because it compounds over time, meaning the amount you owe increases faster than you might expect. This makes it harder to pay off and even harder to save or invest for your future, which delays your progress toward financial freedom. But let's get this clear first. The danger of debt isn't just the interest rates, it's the way it limits your financial flexibility. When a significant portion of your income goes toward paying off debt, you have less money to allocate to savings, investments, or even essential living expenses. Over time, this can create a cycle where you're constantly playing catch-up, with little room to maneuver. This cycle can derail your plans for financial freedom, keeping you stuck in a pattern of financial stress. The key takeaway? Keep your spending in check, avoid unnecessary debt, and focus on living within your means to build a secure financial future and truly start building wealth. 2. Creating a budget that works for you. Okay, so you've got the basics of money management down. But how do you put this knowledge into practice to start building wealth and achieving financial freedom? That's where budgeting comes in. A budget isn't just a list of expenses. It's your game plan for reaching financial freedom and ensuring you're on the right path to building wealth. Here's how you do it. Start by listing all your income sources. Then write down every single expense. Yes, even that daily coffee. It might sound tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. Once you have everything down, categorize your expenses. Necessities like rent and groceries, savings, and discretionary spending. But let's get this clear first. The goal of a budget isn't to restrict yourself. It's to understand where your money is going so you can make smarter financial decisions. For example, if you're spending $200 a month on dining out, consider cutting that down to $100 and putting the rest into investments. This small shift can significantly impact your money management strategy and accelerate your journey to building wealth. 3. Prioritizing saving over spending. When it comes to money management, this is where many people trip up. It's easy to think, I'll save whatever's left at the end of the month. But here's the problem. There's rarely anything left. That's why the best advice is to pay yourself first. Sounds weird? Let me explain. Paying yourself first means treating savings like any other essential bill. The moment you get paid, automatically transfer a portion, say 20%, into a savings account. This approach ensures that you're prioritizing your journey toward financial freedom over immediate wants. Over time, these small contributions add up, and before you know it, you're well on your way to building wealth. By consistently saving a portion of your income, you're not just putting money aside, you're actively managing your finances to secure a future of financial freedom. It's a simple yet powerful shift in mindset that transforms your money management strategy and helps you focus on what really matters: long-term financial security and wealth accumulation. 4. The importance of diversifying your income streams. Now let's talk about income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. What happens if you lose your job? That's why financial leaders emphasize the importance of diversifying your income streams as a key part of effective money management. Diversification doesn't mean juggling multiple jobs. It's about creating passive income sources that contribute to your building wealth strategy. For instance, investing in stocks, real estate, or even starting a side business can provide additional income without requiring your full-time attention. These income streams can grow over time, providing financial security and accelerating your path to financial freedom. By spreading your income sources, you protect yourself from financial setbacks and create more opportunities for building wealth. Whether it's dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, or profits from a side hustle, these diversified income streams reduce your financial risk and empower you to achieve financial freedom faster. Diversification isn't just a strategy for protecting your wealth. It's a crucial step toward enhancing your overall money management plan and securing long-term financial stability. 5 smart investment strategies for building wealth. So you're saving money and thinking about investing? Great, but where do you start? Investing can seem intimidating, especially when your goal is building wealth and achieving financial freedom. But it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down. First, understand that investing is a long-term game and a crucial part of effective money management. You don't need to be an expert to start, you just need to be consistent. Begin with low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and lower risk. The key is to invest regularly, regardless of market conditions. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, helps mitigate risk and ensures that you're buying into the market at different points, balancing out the highs and lows. But let's get this clear first. The earlier you start, the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth, thanks to the power of compound interest. As Warren Buffett says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. By starting early and staying consistent with your investments, you set the stage for long-term growth, which is essential for building wealth and securing financial freedom. The beauty of this approach is that you don't have to be constantly monitoring the market or making risky bets. Instead, you're steadily growing your wealth over time with a proven strategy that's aligned with sound money management principles. This disciplined approach to investing not only enhances your financial security, but also accelerates your path to financial freedom. 6 simple ways to cut costs and save more. Cutting costs is an essential part of effective money management and a critical step toward building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Here's how to start. Track your spending. Knowing where your money goes is the first step. By tracking expenses, you can spot unnecessary spending in areas to cut back. This simple habit is a cornerstone of smart money management and sets the stage for building wealth. Create a budget. Think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It guides you in allocating income toward necessities, savings, and discretionary spending, ensuring you're consistently saving and moving closer to financial freedom. Reduce utility costs. Simple changes like using energy-efficient appliances and reducing water usage can lower bills, freeing up more money to save and invest. Cut back on subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and cancel those you don't use regularly. This small step can lead to significant savings over time. Cook at home. Eating out frequently can be a major drain on your finances. By cooking at home, you not only save money but also have more control over your diet and health. Buy in bulk. Purchasing non-perishable items in bulk can save you money in the long run. It's a simple but effective way to reduce your overall expenses and contribute more to your savings. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. This aligns with your goals of building wealth and achieving financial freedom without extra effort. Shop smart. Use coupons, wait for sales, and consider buying secondhand items. These strategies can help you save significantly on everyday purchases. Minimize debt. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Reducing debt not only saves you money on interest payments, but also improves your overall money management strategy. Review your insurance policies. Regularly review your insurance policies to ensure you're not overpaying for coverage. Shop around for better rates or consider bundling policies to save money. By implementing these strategies, you're not just saving money, you're paving the way to building wealth and securing financial freedom. Remember, successful money management is about consistency and making smart financial choices that support your long-term goals. 7. Avoiding common financial mistakes. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the mistakes you should avoid on your journey to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Even the most well-planned money management strategies can run into problems if you're not careful. One of the biggest mistakes is lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more. It's easy to justify buying a bigger house or a nicer car when your paycheck increases, but this habit can hinder your path to financial freedom despite your higher income. Another common financial mistake is not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and without a financial cushion, a single unexpected expense can throw your entire plan off track and disrupt your money management approach. To safeguard yourself, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This emergency fund not only provides peace of mind, but also ensures that your progress toward building wealth isn't stalled by unforeseen events. By avoiding these common pitfalls, resisting lifestyle inflation, and prioritizing an emergency fund, you'll strengthen your money management strategy and stay on course toward financial freedom. It's about making smart, disciplined choices that protect your financial future and support your long-term goals. 8. The power of consistency in building wealth. When it comes to building wealth, consistency is the secret ingredient. It's not about making a big move all at once. It's about the small, consistent actions that compound over time. These actions are at the heart of effective money management and are essential for achieving financial freedom. Whether it's saving a portion of your income, investing regularly, or sticking to your budget, these habits build momentum and drive long-term success. For example, let's say you invest $500 a month in an index fund. At first, it might not seem like much, but over 20 years, with the power of compound interest, that small amount can grow into a significant sum. The key is to stay the course, even when the results aren't immediately visible. This disciplined, consistent approach is what ultimately leads to building wealth and securing financial freedom. Remember, it's the cumulative effect of these consistent actions that makes the difference. By staying committed to your financial plan, you create a foundation that not only supports your present financial needs, but also propels you toward long-term wealth and independence. In the world of money management, consistency isn't just important, it's everything. 9. How to set and achieve financial goals. Setting financial goals is like giving yourself a destination on your journey to financial freedom. Without a clear goal, it's easy to get off track and lose focus. Start by identifying what you want, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling the world. These goals are essential for effective money management and building wealth because they give your financial decisions purpose and direction. Once you have a goal, break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house in 5 years, calculate how much you need to save each month. Then automate your savings to make sure you're consistently working toward that goal. Automation ensures that you stay on track without having to think about it constantly. But remember, it's not just about setting the goal. It's about taking actionable steps to achieve it. Consistently working toward your goals through disciplined money management is what turns dreams into reality. By staying focused and breaking down your goals into actionable steps, you set yourself up for success in building wealth and reaching true financial freedom. 10. Maximizing your income potential with self-improvement. To fully unlock your income potential and accelerate your journey toward building wealth and achieving financial freedom, focus on self-improvement and continuous learning of new skills, crucial components of smart money management. While cutting expenses and saving are vital, increasing your income through skill enhancement is a powerful strategy to build wealth more effectively. Invest in yourself by acquiring skills that are in demand or by honing your existing talents. This could involve taking online courses, earning certifications, or exploring new career opportunities that offer higher earning potential. By prioritizing self-improvement, you not only increase your income, but also enhance your overall money management abilities, allowing you to make smarter financial decisions and grow your wealth faster. The more you learn and grow, the better you can manage your finances and seize new opportunities. Upgrading your skills and knowledge positions you to negotiate higher salaries, advance in your career, or even start a profitable side hustle. This approach not only boosts your income, but also aligns with the principles of building wealth and financial freedom, helping you secure a prosperous future. So what's the takeaway? Building wealth isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, consistent decisions over time. It's about understanding that true wealth comes from financial freedom, not from flashy purchases or keeping up with others. By following these money management rules, proven by financial leaders, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Remember, you don't have to be a financial genius to build wealth. You just need to be disciplined, consistent, and informed. So start today. Make those small, smart money moves and watch how they transform your financial future. Your future self will thank you.